Well, I saw this fish busting just about all day today. So I threw the, hold on, let me see if I can get it to turn around for me. There we go. So I threw the drop shot at him, and I also seen him swim right by a topwater lure at a soft jerk bait that I threw at him. He just swam right by it, didn't want it. I threw this drop shot on him and got him. So he is, let's see how long he is. But see, this sucker know I'm gonna throw him back too, cause that's why he ain't acting a mess over here. So mouth closed, 17.5 inches. I'm gonna see if my scale is somewhere close by. I don't think if I brought it or not. No, I don't see it back there. I'm gonna weigh him later. .360, stop recording.